Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So I have this question. Are we going to pretend as if we didn't expect Bitcoin to drop, right? I have the question on Discord. So if you've been following my channel for quite some time, I've been talking about how Bitcoin, I do remember a few days ago when I told you that go and watch Bitcoin update because that's what you have to watch. And Pepe, at the moment, we've seen a move here like this. We've had a triangle, a break to the downside, a move to the upside, and now we're kind of getting, uh, this little bit of bearish pattern going on. So, anyways, there's no any problem with Pepe. There was never any problem with Pepe to begin with. All the problem came from Bitcoin, and I've just made another update talking about Bitcoin and maybe Bitcoin dropping to $52,000. So if Bitcoin drops to 51 or $52,000, we may see Pepe coming down as well. So maybe Pepe could be interested to come down one more time to this area, which is 4,645, because that's the previous place where you had influence and then you pump to the upside. So can you do something like this? Come down one more time, spend some time, and then finally come up again, okay? This could also happen where you have a double bottom here, come up, break above, and then you start to push to the upside. That is something that can happen in the future. But unfortunately, if you start to do this and you take out 4081 and you retest, then there could be big chances of having dramatic fall to the downside. Now, maybe this is just because, halving happened and people are super hyped as well, and no one is expecting Bitcoin to drop at the moment. But yes, this is just what happens, and it's a normal day in crypto. But now that you are dropping to the downside, let's talk about opportunities that you may have. So one opportunity is probably this little bit of a pattern that you're looking at, almost like a descending triangle here. So I'm actually going to remove some of the all the drawings now and show you a pattern that is probably a good opportunity right now. So you have this little bit of resistance right there. You have the support right over here. You have the break to the downside. So maybe a retest up here is going to be an amazing opportunity. So what you're looking forward to for Pepe is from there to there, you are looking for a drop to the downside. And if you actually come back for the retest here, at least you have an 18% opportunity to trade Pepe, right? So short term, still a good money for a day trade, in my opinion. And you're happy, everyone's happy, even though the market is dropping. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.